It's the month of November and I'm in my greenhouse. It's not too cold in here, but outside it's very windy, cold and gloomy. It's time to grow chilies indoors, in grow tent, under a grow light. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Ali Raja Bagan UK. I am your host Akibullah. Just in case you're wondering where my dad is, he's indoors setting up the grow tent. Come on, let's go check on my dad. Come on guys, let's check on my dad. Oh hey dad, how are you?
Guess what? I managed to set this grow tent without you.
Wow.
When you were in school, me and your mum set this up.
Wow dad, it looks amazing, doesn't it?
It looks fine, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It does fit in this room, so...
Dad, what are we growing inside of it?
Let's take a look.
Okay, unzip it please. I'm so excited to see... Ilana, why is Ilana in here, Dad? Why is Ilana in here?
She's not growing much, so I'm trying to see if she grows...
Ilana, how was it in there?
Put her in here with the chili plants.
Yeah.
So she grows faster.
Yeah, so she can grow faster.
Would you like to be in here?
Ilana,
Yes.
do you want to stay in there? Yeah. Okay, you can stay in there. Dad, this looks amazing, but it looks very sophisticated. Tell us how long it took for you to install it and what grow light we're using.
Okay, it looks sophisticated, but it's very simple. This grow tent came, the spider from a grow tent came in a flat pack. And it had a very simple, easy to understand manual with it. And it took me and your mum about 15 minutes to actually erect this.
Dad, what grow light are we using?
We're using the SF2000 Spider Farmer LED full spectrum grow light. We have been using this grow light for the past few months actually. They seem to work pretty well. But now it's the month of November and we're trying to, the whole purpose of having a grow tent and a grow light, we want to start our seedlings from scratch and see how they grow, how fast they grow. So in this video today, we'll be showing you how to start your seedlings in a hydroponic method. And we'll also be putting some chili plant that we've overwintered from this season and see how fast they grow. If you're growing chilies or any other plants using the hydroponic method, the pH level in the water is very important and the nutrient that you use in the water is so important. I'll be making a separate video on that, so stay tuned for that. These are rock wool cubes. These are used for hydroponic planting. So I'm going to be soaking these rock wool cubes into water. Now, if you're using, it's best to use distilled water because distilled water is slightly acidic. The tap water that we drink is it has more alkaline. Today we're going to be using a fresh Naga chili. Cut the Naga chili about halfway. Don't cut all the way through and break the chili and get the seeds out. And then we're going to actually put those seeds into the rock wool and into the hydroponic system. So now that we've taken the rock wool out of the water, using a tweezer, take a healthy seed out of the chili and place it in the center of the rock wool and just push it slightly down. These are known as mesh pot. Once you have got the seeds inside the rock wool, place the rock wool inside the mesh pot, just like that. Okay, so now we have a hydroponic water bucket here. I'm going to place the mesh pot into these holes.
It's time to put the plants in the tent under the grow light. Let's put this one in carefully.
So we're just putting two plants inside.
And hydroponic.
And the hydroponic. Oh, they've settled down quite nicely, haven't they?
Yes, they have, Dad.
So I'm hoping for this chili seed to germinate within seven days. And I'm hoping these chili plants should grow faster than outside.
Outside, yeah.
Yes? Now, we still haven't finished this. We still need to have
duct fans.
Duct fans.
And carbon filters and some air control.
From air control, yes. So it's not finished yet. So I'm hoping to get this done hopefully this week. And I'm hoping these chilies should grow faster in here.
Yeah, hopefully.
If they work properly.
If you're interested in purchasing a Spider Farmer grow tent or a Spider Farmer grow light, we'll leave the link in the description down below. We're not getting paid to do this. Spider Farmer was happy to send this free to us, and we're quite happy to give you our honest review. They also given our subscribers a discount code. We'll leave the link in the description down below.
We hope to give you an update in the next few weeks to show you how these plants are doing in this grow tent and under the grow light. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share our videos.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. And don't forget to check out my second channel, Akib's Fun TV. I make very interesting vlogs.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.
Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.